Kaho na pyaar hai.
Perlok limba kene ke video ngikwa bani 2 EP ba ke experience ke jungi hapo Bali kalong ke sngutana adu kata-kata bat ngi sngutrai bat ngi long rukum ki trashnong habangi don kene ke jaka sakawai ke pakam pesutana chushu kalong ba habangi kendo bangi keren ki brio kilong ki ba welcome kilong ki ba paria kilong ki ba sngutana bat kadan ke interview ke bangayo bani keren bat wei samla ubadan ke jing i ye ki jing rwai hakari India bat open pau ya ke so komen boy kendo yangi ali ngin ngap ya ke jingi keren ke jongi paduni usamla ubadai nakasnong Lombok Bali Indonesia.
Okay, now I made a friend from India. He is a very nice person, very kind also, and then now he will teach me some Indian language. So how to say my name is in Indian language?
In Hindi, they used to say, "Aapka naam kya hai?"
Aapka naam kya hai? Try to ask me right now.
Okay.
But wait. How to answer it?
You can answer, "Mera naam
Mera naam.
Alwan hai."
Okay.
Okay.
Try.
Okay. So let me ask you.
Okay.
Aapka naam kya hai?
Mera naam Alwan.
Oh,
Next.
that's nice. That's very nice.
Aapka naam kya hai?
Mera naam Alfan hai.
Alfan. We have very similar name, right?
Alwan and Alfan.
Alban Alfan, yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
in my language,
Okay.
my language is different from India.
Different, yeah.
So when we said one
One.
means come.
Come. Oh yeah, I see.
Okay.
I see.
One means come.
You can one to my room tomorrow. One.
Yeah.
I also speak some Indian language like chaya.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Indian song, right?
Yeah. It's,
Then ya Kaho na pyaar hai. Okay.
but your face, it's really look very similar with our people. Okay. So what I notice is that our Northeast people,
Mhm.
they are very similar with the Indonesian people. So originally, where are you from?
Me, I am originally from Lombok, especially in central Lombok.
Okay.
In Giliti, also Lombok, but this is a North Lombok.
Not Lombok, no?
North Lombok.
Now because now we are in Giliti,
Okay.
and then we have Gili Air.
Gili
What is the another one island?
Gilimino.
Gilimino.
Yeah.
Okay.
There are three trees here.
3 main island.
Yeah, three
And
islands.
after that, then we will come Lombok.
Yep.
Because one of my friend also, he suggests me that I should go to Lombok.
Yeah,
So
that's right.
since I have a fixed boat ticket tomorrow to go back to Ubud,
Yeah.
then maybe in another time,
Yep.
connecting through you,
Yes.
you should take me to Lombok.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I promise to you.
yeah, so we are still very young,
Yeah.
in good age, so we should pick up this business. It's
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah.
So Indonesia is very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yes,
Right?
yeah. Yesterday I came from Nusa Penida,
Yep.
and then Broken Bridge,
Yeah.
and then Angel Kalimbong.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
I
we
know.
visit all those places. So now we will spend one night here.
Mhm.
So nice to meet you, Alwan.
Nice to meet you too.
You are very.
Alfan.
Teach me some language from Lombok.
Yeah, I'll teach you some Lombok language.
Ah.
Like in English we say my name is, but in Lombok you can say Aren
Aran,
aku
aku.
Alfan.
Aran, aku Alfan.
Yes, perfect. It means my name is Alfan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Aran, aku Alfan.
Yes,
Aran, aku
perfect.
Alfan. Okay.
Last language of Lombok.
Okay.
You can say Matur
Matur,
Tampiase.
Tampiase.
It means thank you.
Matur, Tampiase.
Yeah, perfect.
Matur, Tampiase.
Okay. Nice to
Nice
meet you.
Nice meeting you, bro. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.